Hey everybody, this is our 1966 Mustang coupe. It's absolutely gorgeous. It's a factory C code 289. It's got add-on vintage air. We're gonna fire it up for you and let you hear it. It's factory V8, runs and drives really good. It's got add-on vintage air, power steering and power brakes. She runs really smooth, as you can see. Runs down the road sweet. Original VIN stamping is exactly where it's supposed to be. The paint is very nice on it. A couple of chips right there. Other than that, super nice. And those have been touched up. It's got 17-inch US 10-spoke mag wheels on it. Those cost a couple of grand for the wheels and tires. It's got a black pony interior. The car is just super straight. Really nice glass, nice chrome, gorgeous wheels. It's got an aftermarket console that looks great. It's got cup holders. Got the ponies running through the seats, front and rear. Really nice headliner. Just a super nice car. It is deluxe interior, so it has the chrome. It has the lights that work on the doors. Very pretty inside and out. The rear wheels are 255, 45Z, 15, 18. Got amazing sounding dual exhaust that comes out the back. Really nice reflection in all of the paint. The wheels just make this car stand up. Factory gauges. Deluxe interior once again with it. I don't think they get much better than this little car. All new weather strip. We're located at 21180 US Highway 70 in Wilson, Oklahoma. Our website is redlinemusclecars.com, your muscle car connection. You can call me direct at 580-221-4326. Thanks. Y'all have a blessed and awesome day.